Let's talk about AM PM skincare. What does it mean? AM is the skin products which you use in the morning and PM is what you use at night. So how does it differ? In the morning you use a gentle face wash. You do not use something which contains a scrub or beads in it. Number 2, after washing the face, you use a serum on the face. What you should avoid using in the morning is any vitamin C or retinol based serum. What you can use in the morning is something which contains growth factors, peptides and hyaluronic acid. Number 3, what goes on the face is the sunscreen, which these days has evolved a lot. You can have something which has 50 plus SPF, which is matte base and which is silicone base, which gives you infrared as well as visible light protection. If you have a very dry skin, you can top it up with a little moisturizer, or if you are somebody who uses makeup, then you can put a primer and put your makeup on top. This is the AM skincare. Now we come to PM skincare. What differs at night? So at night you have a lot of makeup and grime and pollution on the face mixed with your oil secretion, your sweat. So the face wash to be used at night in PM, is it different from AM face wash? Yes, ideally it should be. In the night you use something which contains little scrub in it, which is gel based, and if you don't have something like that, then you can use separately a scrub and a face wash. But before using a cleanser, you have to use a micellar water to remove the makeup from the skin, and next you go on to cleanse the skin. You now go on to use a serum at night, and one of my favorite products at night, favorite molecule is retinol. So you can use vitamin C and retinol, which is a vitamin A, on the skin at night. Now this doesn't complete your night care or PM care if you don't use a moisturizer. So at night, after using a serum, you use a moisturizer. And for those of you who have very dry skin, you can always put a sleeping mask, something which is a thick creamy base, a lot of good moisturizing factors. You put it and sleep with that. So this is generally what goes on your face in the morning and in night. Now for those of you who have additional skin problems like acne, pigmentation, scars, consult your dermatologist for those actives which you have to use along with these products.